Hello, welcome. Today we are making a delicious and easy meal with lentils with turkey sauce. Stay with me and let's cook together. We have 3 cups of wheat and by cleaning remove the eggs. Put up a pot on the stove and add a little bit oil. We add onion, bacon, and Haitian seasoning. We add the dry shrimp and let's fry for 2 minutes. And we add the lentils. We add the cooking water from the lentils and more water to increase the quantity. We add coconut cream. We add parsley, basil, cloves, little butter, and I add meat broth, turkey. I add paprika, cumin, salt, and oregano. Once the water is ready, we add the washed wheat. We mix everything well and let it cook. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you to help me to grow. And now we prepare the turkey sauce. We heat the pan and add a little oil. We fry some onion for flavor and good smell. We add tomato paste and let it fry well. We add the carrot to give nice color. We add butter and Haitian seasoning. We add a little water for good texture, just a little. We add the turkey meat and let it marinate in the sauce. And now we add the bell peppers and let it cook slowly. After that, we add the onion. We check the wheat and mix it well if it's ready. Now we set the table. This is a masterpiece, the beauty of this meal. We decorate the plate by shaping the wheat into a ring with an empty center. First, we place the wheat in the bowl to form the shape. Then we carefully transfer it onto the plate without ruining the design. Now we add the sauce. We gently remove the glass and the center to maintain the shape. To complete the meal, we serve it with a refreshing glass of passion fruit juice. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. May God visit your table. Thank you for watching.